everyone to the Ashford High centenary celebration and the unearthing of our very own time capsule. And so, to get things underway, please welcome one of the students of 94 who put the time capsule together, my daughter, Chloe.
Before we raid this treasure chest, I want to pay tribute to Isabel Baker. This was really her project. She was our fearless leader and we loved her. Still miss her every day. Okay, Victor, let's open it up.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Those of us that put this project together are going to read first. Oh, amazing. Dear 2019, my name is Chloe Walcott. In 1994, my life is pretty sweet. I just bought my first car, and in a few weeks, I will be road tripping my head off.